Om Gam Ganapataye Namaha. Om Gam Ganapataye Namaha.
There was a soul whose time had come to take a human birth, and so it went to the great cavern in the infinite void where all such souls go. In the cavern were hundreds of thousands of souls, each manifesting as a small blue spark. When its time came, the soul stood to front and centre and said, "My time has come to take human incarnation, for I have work to do and many lessons to learn. In my life as a human, I shall need family and loving friends to help me, to love me, and to nurture me. Who will be my friends and family on earth?" A ripple flickered across the thousands of sparks, and shortly a few stood forwards and said, "We don't know you. We've not met before, we're strangers. But being kind and giving love is a pleasant and easy task. We will be your friends and family on earth." And the soul spoke again and said, "And on earth I shall need teachers, people to guide me, to correct me, and to discipline me. Who will be my teachers on earth?" Again a ripple went around the assembled sparks, and a group came forwards and said, "We've known you in other lives, and we've grown to respect and like you. We will take on the task of being your teachers in life." And a third time the soul spoke up and said, "And on earth, if I am to learn the greatest lessons of all, the lessons of humility, tolerance under provocation, and love to those who hate me, I shall need enemies. I shall need people to hate me, to abuse me, and to do violence to me, people to damage me. Who will do this for me? Who will be my enemies on earth?" There was a long pause in the cavern, until at last a small group came forwards and said, "We are your soul group. We have known and loved you over eons, and your growth and learning are as dear to us as our own. This is the most delicate and difficult of tasks, and if you are to be hurt and abused, it were better done by loving friends. We will be your enemies on earth."
Om Gam Ganapataye Namaha. Om Gam Ganapataye Namaha.